out, y'all. I was just sitting here thinking, about the topic of fear. And we all know that fear is the number one thing that's holding majority of people back. Fear of the unknown. Now, when I talk about fear of the unknown, you got to know that this is how things have been corrupting us as a people. See, when you have fear of the unknown, you got to know that is what's stopping you from growing, what is stopping you and holding you hostage to where you can't perform at your best, all because of this thing called fear. Now, you got to know that this rabbit hole goes very deep. See, when you think of the devil, these evil entities and parasites that roll with the devil, you got to think about it. You've never seen them in their true form. And most people are afraid of the so-called devil because of the unknown. The unknown of what it looks like. The unknown, like the mystery. So most people fear these entities because they never actually seen them. But just the thought or the idea of what you've been told about it, that's more scarier than actually seeing it in the flesh. Because think about it. When you know what you're up against, meaning you know how it looks, you know what to expect from it, all that fear will diminish. It will